These are called Aloha oatmeal cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a large mixing bowl and 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar. Add to that 3/4 cup of all vegetable shortening, 1 egg, a tablespoon of grated orange peel, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of orange extract, and then you're going to cream those things together until they are nicely combined and very creamy. Then you'll add in 3 cups of quick cooking oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of powdered ginger. And when I started mixing this together, I realized I forgot an ingredient, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, which should have went in with the shortening and the sugar and the egg. Once I combined that, then I added in a cup of flaked sweetened coconut, a cup of coarsely chopped macadamia nuts. I added an 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple that was drained, and I also added in about a half a cup of raisins. That's not in the original recipe. My husband just likes raisins, so I put the raisins in there as well. Now you'll take a cookie scoop and scoop out portions of that cookie dough onto a cookie sheet that's been lined with silicone mat or with some parchment paper. Now, because this uses shortening, I knew right away these probably weren't going to spread very much. So if you like your cookies to be round like this and not as crispy, then leave them just like this. I did some like that, and I did some that I flattened slightly with my hands before I put them in the oven. And you're going to bake these at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are light brown on the bottom and a little bit brown on the edges. And there are the 2 kinds of cookies. One was flattened, one's kind of rounded. They were both equally good. They have a really nice kind of a tropical flavor because of the coconut and the pineapple in there, and I love macadamia nuts, so these were a winner. I hope you give these ones a try. If you enjoy those tropical flavors, check out these castaway bars that also uses some macadamia and some other dried fruit. And thank you so much for watching.